Hey guys, welcome back to Simply Mercy B. Today I'm going to show you how I put together a quick grab and go lunch for a busy work week. Today it's my delicious tuna, and we also going to pair it with some dried banana chips and dried pineapple. Let's take a look at the ingredients that we're going to need for our tuna. We're going to start by placing our tuna into a colander so that we can get all the water drained out. Now I'm just going to take the back of my fork and kind of smash some of that water out of there. And we're going to get it drained as much as possible. Let's add a few seasonings. And remember, when you're adding seasonings, it's to taste. So right here you see me, I'm adding some onion powder. Then I'm going to go in with some garlic powder. I'm going to take a packet of Italian seasoning and I'm going to get some of that right in there. And we're going to get that well incorporated. Now I like eggs in my tuna salad. And I have 8 eggs here. And I'm just going to use the back of my fork to smash those eggs to get them to a fine consistency. Add your eggs to your tuna and mix well. Sandwich spread is the only dressing you would need for this delicious tuna salad. It has pickles already in there and it has a little hint of sweetness to it, which balances out our salad. Now I'm going to start with about 1 cup of sandwich spread. Going to add one more layer of flavor to our tuna, and I'm adding 1 tablespoon of prepared ranch dressing, and we're going to take a half a packet of Szechuan seasoning and we're going to sprinkle that right in there. Here I have some 5-ounce containers that comes with lids, and I will be using my ice cream scoop to fill these containers up. And this is going to make it so easy to just grab and go on our busy work week. I'm also going to pack us up some dried fruit, and I purchased some dried banana chips and dried pineapples. That's the combination that I like. And I'm just going to take those, that I have some 4-ounce containers that I'm going to package those up in. And it's good for a quick grab and go on a busy work week. And just like that, our grab and go lunch or snack is ready. Please make sure you get the individual wrap Ritz crackers or the Captain wafers. It makes life so much easier. Guys, I want to thank you so much for stopping by and sharing your time with me today. Please like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, keep life simple.